Well, we moved in here 2 years ago, and it was on our plans to put a conservatory on. It's just an added piece for the house, with being right next to the kitchen. We had the room here, and it just makes it right for a dining room. We went through Conservatory Land, got in touch with those. They're very helpful on the phone. Just sent us a pack, which we just fill in, where we could say what sort of roof, where the doors, how they open, inwards or outwards, where we wanted the windows, if we wanted a dwarf wall or to the floor, etc. things like that. Sent the contractors to measure up, basically, to make sure that the design would fit, and then we arranged a date for it to start. With the traditional build, you got a lot of digging, a lot of mud going in and out of the house. With this, it's just a few holes that are dug up, and it all comes like a flat pack, basically. So we got the contractors in. It's a good price for fitting it, so we went down that route. When they came round, you had the two contractors, and there's a lad from Conservatory Land itself as well. They're good lads, good lads. Started on the Monday morning, finished on a Thursday night. For a dining room, if we have friends, family around, have a meal, it's out of the way of the rest of the house. If there's children around, they can play in the house, sort of an adult area. The people that we saw and dealt with over the phone were very good, so they kept in touch with us all the time, before and after, to make sure everything was going okay. Yeah, they're very good. I recommend them.